Diameteral pitch is 5. Then calculate module of the gear. A 0.2. B 0.4. C 5. D 10. The correct answer is 0.2. Contact ratio is always A1, B1, C1, D. Can T be determined? The correct answer is 1. The pitching effect of a naval ship produces force S on which of the following components of the ship? A. Bearings, B. Lubricant, C. Seals, D. Springs. The correct answer is bearings. Product of diametric pitch and circular pitch is A. B1, C. None of the listed. D. 2. The correct answer is velocity ratio and transmission ratio are the same thing. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. Velocity ratio is the ratio angular velocity of driving gear to that of driven gear. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.